the differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are complex. They have a nucleus. They have membrane-bound organelles. An example of that is mitochondria, and that makes energy for the cell. Eukaryotes are about 30 micrometers in size. Also, eukaryotes can be single cell or it can be multicellular, such as these lovely guys here: me, plants, fungi, and insects. This is an example of a eukaryote. We have a nucleus here. These here are the ribosomes. As you can see, he's big, so he's about 20 micrometers in size. Whereas prokaryote, it lacks a nucleus. It has no membrane organelles. It's always unicellular, and it has genetic information in the cytoplasm. Prokaryotes are small. They are about 1 to 2 micrometers in size, and they lack a membrane, and they have a rigid small cell wall. But eukaryotes and prokaryotes does have things in common, and that is a plasma membrane, ribosomes, and cytoplasm. Prokaryotes also, they are an example of bacteria. An example of the bacteria that could be found in prokaryotes is E. coli. And E. coli is a bacteria that is found in humans and animals in their intestinal walls. So I hope you guys learned something from my little discussion about prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Thank you.
What makes a protein? It starts with an amino acid. An amino acid is an organic molecule with an amino group and a carboxyl group. Amino acids usually are held together by a peptide bond. When you have more than one of those, they're called polypeptide bonds. One or more polypeptide bonds gives you a protein. The first level organization of proteins is called a primary structure, and it's basically a linear sequence of amino acids. This one I'm going to compare it to the alphabet. I wrote A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all across a straight line. That's basically what a primary structure is. You have an amino acid, a peptide bond, amino acid, a peptide bond, and so on. The second level organization is called secondary structure. These can be compared to words that we make from the alphabet. There's two different kinds. There's the alpha helix and there's the beta pleated sheets. Both of these are held together by hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds can be compared to vowels in words. The third structure is a tertiary structure. These are stabilized by hydrogen bonds as well, and they are basically the protein's 3D structure. These can be compared to sentences. Finally, we have the quaternary structure, and that's multiple tertiary structures together, and these can be compared to paragraphs. When you put it all together, you got the primary structure, which is the alphabet, the secondary structure, which is the words, the tertiary structure, which is the sentences, and the quaternary structure, which is a paragraph.